Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kanya. Welcome to the day 4. We will start with the sitting position. So let's sit comfortable and easily. You may sit in Sukhasana. Otherwise, you may sit in Padmasana if it possible. Place your palms on your knees with the palm facing upward. Keep your shoulder relaxed, head straight, spine erect. Gently close your eyes. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. 2 more. Normal breath in and breathe out. While breathe out, just relax your body. Prepare your mind. Slowly open your eyes. Now stretch your right hand towards forward. Right elbow will be straight. Hold your right wrist to the left hand. Inhale. While exhale, slowly take your right hand towards your left side. Stretch towards your left side. Look forward. Inhale and come back to the center. One more round. While exhale again, take your arms towards your left side. Stretch. Inhale, come back. While exhale, relax. Opposite hand, slowly straighten your left hand forward. Hold your left wrist to the right hand. Inhale deeply. While exhale, take your left hand towards your right side. Stretch towards your right side. Look forward. Feel the stretch on your shoulder blade, on your left arm, on your back. Feel the twisting effect. Look forward. Inhale, come back to the center. Arms straight. One more round. Inhale. While exhale, once again, stretch your left hand towards your right side. Stretch back as much as you can. Look forward. Twist your back a little bit. Inhale, come back. Exhale and relax. Release your hands. Now, stretch your right hand over your head, arms straight. Hold your right wrist with the left hand. Body straight. Slowly stretch your arms up first. Open your chest. Little bit more stretch. Inhale. While exhale, take your right arm towards your left side from the back of your head. Stretch towards your left side as much as you can. Look forward, back straight. Feel the effect on your armpit, on your shoulder blade. Right arm, inhale, come back. Arm straight. While exhale, just relax. Hold your left wrist to the right hand. Body straight, inhale. While exhale, stretch your left hand towards your right side from the back of your head. Stretch as much as you can. Feel the stretch on the left armpit, left shoulder blade. Look forward, head straight, spine erect. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, just interlock your fingers, stretch your arms up. Inhale, while exhale, bend towards your right side. Look forward. Inhale, come back. While exhale, bend towards your left side. Look forward. Inhale and come back. Exhale, slowly release your hand. Just relax. Release your legs. You may stretch your legs forward. Shake your legs. Now, slowly come into Vajrasana. Bend your both the legs and sit on your heels. Place your palms on floor. Come into Marjari Asana. Keep gap in between your both knees. Feet together. Inhale, head up, push your back down, hip up, look up. Exhale, take your chin to the chest. Stretch your upper body upward. One more round. Inhale up. Exhale and down. Come back to the center. Take your toes in. Hip up, knees up. Parvatasana. If your heels are not touching to the floor, don't worry. Just take your feet 1 foot forward or 2 feet forward. Automatically your heels come to the floor. Slowly keep your knees straight. Head down, push your shoulders downward. Take your heels up and down. 5 to 6 times. Up and down. Keep normal breathing. Now, just be in this position. While inhale, slowly take your right leg up. Look up. While exhale, down. 5 times. Inhale up, head up, look up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. This time, stretch your leg more up as much as you can. Look up. Exhale and down. Feet on floor. Opposite, inhale. Raise your left leg up, look up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Look up. Exhale, down. 2 more rounds. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Last round. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Just relax. Knees on floor. Go back in Vajrasana. Just relax for a few seconds. Eyes closed. Observe your breathing. Slowly inhale. Raise your arms up over your head. While exhale, slowly bend forward from your lower back. Forehead on floor, relaxing Sasangasana. Now, inhale and come up. While exhale, relax. Release your hands. Stand on your knees once again. Slowly place your right foot forward. Right foot will be flat on floor. Left knee on floor. You may keep your left toes inward. Slowly adapt Namaskar Mudra in front of your chest. Inhale while exhale. Just push your hip towards the floor. Your right knee will be 90 degree. Your knee will not cross your toes. So be in this position, palms in front of your chest. Inhale and slowly stretch your arms up. Look forward. Hold. Feel the stretch on your pelvic area, on your thighs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Palms in front of your chest. Just place your palms beside your foot. Slowly take your right leg back. Now place your left foot forward in between your both palms. Right knee on floor, right toes inward. Stand. Keep your both the palms in front of your chest. Join your palms together. Knee will be 90 degree. Just relax in this position first. Balance. Inhale and slowly stretch your arms up over your head. Arms straight. Push your hip little bit forward towards the floor. Feel the stretch on your pelvic area, especially on your right thigh. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Bring your palms in front. Exhale. Just release your hands and take your leg back. Slowly stand up. धीरे से खड़े हो जाएंगे. Feet together. Today we will do little bit balancing posture. So we'll start from the beginner. First, lift your right leg up. Right knee will be straight at 90 degree. Balance your whole body weight on your left foot. First of all, you will imbalance. Just balance here. Look in a point in front. You may keep your left palm on your waist. Hold your right knee with the right hand. Look forward. Balance here. Take normal breath in and out. Now, while exhale, take your right knee towards your right side. Look in a point so that you can balance. 2, 3, 4. Inhale, come back to the center. Bring your knee into the center, look forward. Excellent. Relax your right leg. Opposite leg. Slowly, first balance your whole body weight on your right foot. Lift your left knee up. Left knee will be up to 90 degrees. Knee is straight. Hold your left knee with the left hand. Body straight, look forward. You may keep your right palm on your waist. Look in front. Keep breathing. 2. Balance your whole body weight on your right foot. 3, 4. Inhale while exhale. Take your left knee towards your left side. Hold. Keep breathing. Balance your body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back. Excellent. Relax. Slowly release your leg. Next, we will do Brikshasana. So, for this also we will do some preparatory asana. So, raise your right leg up. Keep your right foot up of your left foot. Right knee will be facing forward. Be in this position. Balance first. Then joint your palms in front of your chest. Look in a point so that you can balance. Hold. 2, 3, 4. When you are well balanced here, then slowly bring your right foot up to little bit upward. Place your right foot on the left knee. Right knee will face sidewise. Joint your palms in front of your chest. Balance here. Balance for a few seconds. Keep breathing. 2, 3, 4. When you are well balanced here also, bring your right foot little bit up to your thighs. Knee will be sidewise. Bring your heel closer to your perineum. Body straight. Just joint your palms in front of your chest. Hold. Keep breathing. Keep on looking on a point. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release your hands. Hold your right ankle with the right hand and release your leg. Opposite leg. Just place your left foot up of your right foot. Same. Joint your palms in front of your chest. Stick to normal breathe in and out. Balance. Then the next step, place your left foot on the right knee. Balance first. Left knee sidewise. Look in a point. Place your palms in front of your chest. Join your palms together. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Last step. Bring your feet closer to your perineum. Hold here. Knee sidewise. Balance. Just joint your palms in front of your chest. Keep a smiling face. Keep breathing. 2, 3, 4. First release your hands. Hold your left ankle with the left hand and release your leg. Thank you for watching my video. Please, if you are watching my videos, then practice daily. Slowly you can improve your flexibility and you can balance.